Developing story we've been following all morning. A former top deputy prosecutor for Marion County has no plans to challenge a federal bribery charge. David Wyser made his first court appearance today, and RTV6 was there. Call 6 investigator Rafael Sanchez has been following these developments since breaking the story last week. He joins us now live from the newsroom. Rafael.
Mark, good afternoon. 10 days after the U.S. Attorney said that justice is not for sale and that Indianapolis is not for sale, David Wyser, as you said, made his first federal court appearance in downtown Indianapolis.
Can say, David, before your hearing?
Nothing to say on his way to court, and once inside, Magistrate Denise LaRue reminded Wyser of his rights and told him that he was accused of accepting a bribe, which is a violation of federal law. The government says Wyser reduced a convicted murderer's sentence from 70 to 40 years after his campaign received a donation for $2,500 from the prisoner's father. If convicted, the magistrate said he could spend up to 10 years in prison. The 53-year-old Wyser may see little to no time behind bars, though, because he's also cut a deal with the government to help them with other ongoing cases. And sources tell me that one of those investigations targets his old boss, former Marion County Prosecutor Carl Brizzi. But on this case, Wyser's attorney tells me that at this time he will not comment on the ongoing case. Mark?
And Rafael, obviously we saw that Wyser had nothing to say to cameras or to RTV6 as well. Was he allowed to go home after the hearing, though?
And Mark, you can bet that we tried to get him to say something, but he said nothing at all on his way to court. The government did not request that jail time for Wyser because they don't believe that he's a flight risk. His next court appearance is in July, and Mark, we will be there.
All right, Rafael Sanchez, our Call 6 investigator, live in the newsroom for us with those new developments this noon.